guys, for study dinner. This is a pork ribs. Yeah, this is German style. Yeah, I don't have a rib, so this is the one when we reach home, we already order. This is chopping already. So what to do? Just continue cooking it. Okay, guys, this is German style. What I put here is vinegar and some sugar, chili sauce, brown sugar, and then mushroom sauce, and some little bit of water, salt, pepper, and some pepper, onion, yellow onions. And doing this chili powder a little bit. That looks very yummy also.